No recording.
Record. No, record. We're going to record. You don't want to be on tape? Walk out. The Bible says David had a woman and killed her husband. I don't believe that.
Okay.
Because the Quran tells us that the prophets are guides. They're to be followed. If somebody your wife and then had you murdered, would you follow them?
I wouldn't follow that.
So how could the people of David be expected to follow David?
There's a question I want to ask about.
No, answer the question. If somebody raped your wife
Right.
and impregnated her while you were out fighting a war for that king,
Right.
and then made a plan to have you killed,
Right.
would you follow such a person?
I wouldn't follow him, but the question is not my example.
But according to, no, he did not. Now, when did Muhammad a woman and kill her husband?
When you know from war, in war,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
take
No. When David took the woman, it wasn't that she was at war. He saw her bathing, according to the Bible.
I know.
So again,
the same
don't
thing
get it
happened, but it's just
twisted.
about- just